So we're going to have a verification for toll free. So once you are already here, you can put your information, then continue to business account. And once you're in the business account, it will ask for the address. So you need to input your address, then go to messaging use case. So messaging use case. So the estimated monthly volume will be 1,000 for my case, and the opt-in type is web form. The use case category is I put customer care, marketing, account notification, events, and delivery notification. So you can see here there are different kinds of use case, but I believe that is applicable on my account, on my services. And after that, the opt-in workflow image URL. So this is the screenshot of the form that you will be using. Okay. So the use case description, you can see example here. Okay. Yes. In my case, what I did is like, I have we put the same, like this number is used by the company name to send customer care update, appointment confirmation, account notification, project alert, events reminder, delivery notification, and occasionally marketing messages to user who have explicitly opt in via website form, booking form, or live chat. So I'm gonna remove the live chat here because I did not put some phone number there. And I also include the link of the site wherein it is showing the form, and also privacy policy link on the form as well. So messages frequency may vary. Messages and data rates may apply. So need to reply stop to opt out and help for assistance, or call the toll-free number. So for the messages content, this is an example. So hi John, this is Jane from company name. Our appointment is for the date and the time is confirmed, and also the phone number in case you need to reschedule, reply stop to unsubscribe. So here you can put it here like, oh hi, for me, what I did is like, hi Joe, this is Hazel from the company name. We miss you at your scheduled appointment today. If you would like to reschedule, here is the booking link, or please call the toll free number and reply stop to opt out, and uh, reply help for assistance. So those are the example that also include if you have a marketing, if you have marketing, if you have account notification, events, but there are only 1,000 limits. So I just put the three scenario with the case. Okay, so check the I agree the terms and services. So this is certified associate business profile in the originator phone call certified. I will participate in traceback effort, including those initiated by the Secure Telephony Identify Policy Administration, US Telecom Traceback Group. So send information for verification. Hopefully it will pass. So I just continued it since like the information are not yet um, private. So I'm just gonna put here, it's in Canada, and select. So I'm gonna choose driver's license. So I'm gonna take a photo of. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose continue to another device. So I will choose another device, and it will create a QR code, and I will scan it, and do it from my mobile because it's gonna be more easier rather than to have it on um, on the desktop wherein you need to put it on the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna post it as we're going to have my driver's license. So I'll get back to you. Okay, so once you have the QR code, scan it on your phone, and it will ask you to take a photo of your um, ID, and then after that, make sure that you're like well prepared because you're gonna have a selfie as well, and you need to put your face on the left and the right. And once done, it will reflect also on your desktop. Even you use your phone, and it says congratulations, you're done. Thanks for verifying your identity, and then done. So now I'm gonna send the information for verification. So once you have submitted it, the status will be verification in progress, and we'll see if that will be approved or declined based on the submission that we have. But make sure that on your privacy and policy and also terms and condition, there are factors that you need to be aware of what to put in and what not. Okay, maybe I'll have to put it on a different video, but in this video, that's how we're gonna do the verification for toll-free number. Okay, thank you so much and see you on the next one.